Today's assembly by class 9th A. Prayer. Pledge by Ria.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their
Thought
well-being and
by
prosperity.
Kirti.
To a great victory, you have to win small battles. Thank you.
News by Mandakini.
National news: we lost a capable leader. PM Modi pays last respect to Kalyan Singh. Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh to attend Kalyan Singh's final rites today.
Special item by Sagar Sharma.
Today's word is euphoric, meaning a feeling of intense excitement and happiness.
Rashtragan. Thank you and have a nice day.